Kaka tuo mar Ebola dhi nyime kod landruok e pinje mago mag Congo kod piny libamba mar Uganda. Jolony e sekta mar thieth mawuok e Afrika madiere kod nyandwat olimo tong' mar Kenya kod Uganda mondo ginon chik moseketi nyaka sane. Kaluwore gi jolonygi, dwarore mar mondo miket chik mager e tong' kaka mano mar geng'o landruok mar tuono. Mohamed Ali Mohamed, mabende en jatelo mar weche thieth nyandwat mar Afrika, ojiwo dwaro mar ikruok machon ne tuono mondo kik yud piny Kenya apoya. Kata kamano, jodak mathoth ma Busia koro nigi luoro kod kihondko ka gidwaro mar mondo mi sirikal oket chik mar ritoge.
Naona kwamba hatari yake ni mbaya, maana hata kuliko COVID-19 vile ilivyokuwa. So tuko na wasiwasi, so tunaomba serikali yetu ikaweze kutukumbuka ya kwamba hii Ebola ikatengewe sehemu, maana hapa Alupe iko na shamba kubwa. So naomba serikali ikatenge sehemu kwa ajili ya kuweka au watu wa Ebola, lakini sio tena hapa Alupe, maana kama wakaji wa Alupe tumeteseka na tuna wasiwasi.
Mambo na quarantine ya Ebola inataka kuletwa hapa Alupe. Yaani natufanya kufikiria tena tunaenda kuathirika tena kuliko hata vile tuliathirika wakati wa COVID-19. At least COVID-19 tulikuja tukafunzwa jinsi ya kuepukana nayo. Lakini sasa kama hii Ebola saizi hatuna jinsi yote ya kuepukana nayo.
We are doing what we call readiness assessment to ensure that all the pillars for the point of entries are in a good position. So we'll assess the way they communicate, we'll assess the way they do surveillance between the two, the data sharing, and when they have a patient, how are they going to do in the isolation facilities, the treatment.
Currently, Uganda has 11 confirmed cases of Ebola. But of course, as we know, it's mainly the DRC that is grappling with the Ebola outbreak. And quite a number of these cases that we've managed in Uganda are Congolese. Today we are here in Busia border to discuss with our Kenyan brothers and sisters to get them understand and know what Uganda is doing in as far as Ebola response and preparedness is concerned. I just want to assure our Kenyan colleagues, the health fraternity on the Kenyan side, that Uganda is doing all it can, and